Yeah, Hobart. 4,500 watt generator plus 145 amp DC water. I wonder if that's wire feed. What am I looking at there? Can't get to it really. You can't get to the book. I don't see a deal on it. Yeah, there's $23.99. That seems like a pretty reasonable. This is the whole house generator. What is it? No, this is the welder. Yeah. Yeah, it's the welder. Neato. Everything looks real spiffy on it. I don't want to open all the panels. Yeah, that's 5,200 and that's 2,300. It's what dreams are made of. Yeah, but yeah, I want that right there, but I can't have it.